morning, guys. Just once again, I have come to tell you something about singular and plural. The plural is formed by changing inside vowel. I am Santosh Kashyap and you are learning English grammar. Smile because you are in lockdown, in not lock up. So smile and learn with me. Just I have written some rule here. A few nouns form their plural by changing inside vowel. How can you change? Man, in vowel of this word is man, will be man. And the same as the plural of woman will be woman. The plural of tooth will be teeth. The plural of foot will be feet. Only the inside vowel is changing and making their plurals. Here once again, goose, geese. Geese is a kind of duck family that is found in the jungle or forest areas. And another word, mouse. The plural of mouse will be mice. And the plural of louse will be lice. What is louse? Louse is a kind of insect that is found in the hair, head, where disturb the human being. And another rule I want to write here. Just wait and learn with me. Some nouns have singular and plural alike. Some nouns have singular and plural alike. We cannot add s or any es to the singular word. Here, let us see which word has singular and plural alike. Here, singular and plural. Let us see swine. The word for swine and plural will be swine. There is nothing changed. Singular will be same, plural will be same. Swine. What is swine? Swine is a category of pig, hog, and swine. Let us. I think you have listened. Swine flu. The flu from pigs. That is swine. Sheep. Sheep. The plural will be sheep. There is no changing because we have already written that the plural of and singular the same. Here, sheep. Deer. Also the plural of deer will be deer. There is no change. Cod. Cod. Cod is a kind of fish that is common now, and cod liver oil will be used for medicine, vitamin A. Cod. Salmon. Salmon. Salmon is a kind of fish that is formed their singular and plural alike. Trout. Trout. What is trout? Trout is also a kind of fish that is make singular and plural alike. There is no changing. Spacecraft. Spacecraft. The plural of spacecraft will be spacecraft. There is no changing. We cannot add s or es to form their plurals. There is no changing. So that I have already written that singular and plural alike. Aircraft. Also I want to write. Aircraft. The plural of aircraft will be aircraft. There is no changing. Here, guys, I think you are enjoying your study and we are learning singular and plural. I think you have written this word and I want go to delete this, erase from the. Some more words I want to write like series. Series. And plural of series will be series. There is no change. Species. species, and plural of species will be species. Species is a kind, a sort, a kind of sort, and that is called species. Pair. Pair. The plural of pair will be pair. There is no change. Dozen. Dozen. The plural of dozen will be dozen. There is no change here. Dozen. A group of 12 some articles. We can say that the 12 banana makes a dozen. But we cannot say that 12 bananas make 2 dozens. We cannot say. Next, bruise. The plural of bruise will be bruise. There is no change. Here is singular and plural. Score. Score. The plural of score will be score. There will be no change. 100. 100. And also will be 100. 1000. The plural of 1000 will be 1000. We cannot say thousands. Thousands. We cannot say. In this way, we saw that some words have singular and plural alike, and I think you have enjoyed this rule. And in further your studies, this will be beneficial for you. We will write some rules. Another rule. There are 2 some nouns. Some nouns make their plural by adding en. There are 2 nouns that form their plural by adding only en to the last word. That they are child, babies, children, and ox, oxen. Ox, it means bull, that is used for plow or bullock cart, etc. Ox, oxen. Brother, brother. Brethren. Here we wrote some words that make their plural by adding en. In this way, in this class, just we have written the same. And all the best. Enjoy your learning with Santosh Kashyap. And if you are new, subscribe my channel, share it, and like or dislike, so that I can get enjoyment and you can get your study learning enjoyable. Okay, thank you so much. Just we will meet in next video.